Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kensthetic and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. So in today's video, I will be sharing what I believe might be my perfect winter wash and go routine with you all, featuring some products from Alodia Haircare. I received these products from the brand for a sponsored Instagram post, but y'all know I had to come on here and show y'all how to use these products in detail, give y'all the real tea on each and every one of these products, okay? So before we get started, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below. Period. Give this video a big thumbs up if you guys enjoy, and drop a comment down below after you watch this entire video with your thoughts, comments, opinions, or whatever's on your mind. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So in case you guys are new here, I usually don't do wash and goes in the winter time. I don't know, I just prefer a twist out, a braid out, or a perm rod set in the winter. Wash and goes are easier in the summertime because I could just wash my hair and literally go. So in the winter time, I'm not really too huge of a fan of wash and goes, but I did receive this Alodia Haircare wash and go style kit, and I was like, it's only right to try out a wash and go in the winter time to see how these products work, if these products work, and what's the real tea on them, okay? So I received this kit from the brand. Thank you so much, Alodia Haircare. And this box came with 5 full-size items. This box retails for $70 US. So it comes with a healthy hair and scalp oil. It comes with a conditioning shampoo. It comes with a deep conditioning hair mask, a butter cream, and a curling cream gel. So these are the 5 products that it came with, and I was like, I'm gonna do a wash and go. We'll see how this comes out. And yeah, these results, watch this little demo and see how they work, if they work, and then we'll be back, okay? So I'm gonna start off with a hot oil treatment. What you'll need is a bowl and your oil of choice. Today I'm using my Alodia Haircare Nourish and Grow Healthy Hair and Scalp Oil. And I'm just going to go ahead and fill my bowl with a sufficient amount of oil that I believe will be able to cover my whole head. This oil was really good. It's formulated with avocado oil, sweet almond oil, jojoba seed oil, and so many other amazing ingredients. But I'm just going to go ahead and fill my bowl up. And that is how much oil I use. And then afterwards, I'm going to take my bowl and warm it up because a hot oil treatment has to be hot. Duh. So I took my bowl and I put it in the microwave for 40 seconds. And it did what it had to do. If you're Caribbean, then you know your mother does not take the plastic off of any appliances. So don't mind my plastic. I put it on for 40 seconds and then I took it out, and now it's time to apply it to my hair. So this is how my hair looks before. This is like a 4-day-old twist out, and it's just time to go. It's time to wash the hair. So I'm going to go ahead and separate my hair into 4 lovely sections just because it makes it easier for me to work with. So now it's time to apply the oil to our hair. I'm just going to go ahead and lather it throughout the whole section at first. It smells so amazing, y'all. It smells so good. But I started off applying it to the whole section, but then I was just like, feel like it's not, you know, getting into all of my hair. So I just like did these subsections to make sure that I was applying the oil consistently throughout my hair. So that's what I did, and I just went ahead and followed all of these steps for all 4 sections of my hair to make sure that all of my hair was getting covered by this oil, and you know, it was doing what it had to do, okay? So I let my hot oil treatment sit in my hair for 10 minutes after I applied it to all 4 sections. And usually with my hot oil treatments, I'll go ahead and sit under a dryer for 10 minutes just to make sure that it's like, you know, hot and penetrating into my hair. But I didn't do that today. I just let it sit for 10 minutes and then I came back to rinse it out. So after 10 minutes, this is how our hair is looking. It's nice and soft, it's nice and fluffy, it feels so amazing, and I was really in love with the results of this hot oil treatment. My hair just felt and looked so amazing. The shine was there, the volume was there, and all of that. So I rinsed it out, and this is how our hair is looking. Curls are nice and defined. I'm here for it. Hair is nice and soft and smooth, and I'm in love. So now I'm gonna go in and cleanse my hair using the Alodia Haircare Nourish and Hydrate Conditioning Shampoo. This shampoo was so creamy. Like, it's literally a shampoo and a conditioner together. That's what I believe, but this is just my personal opinion and my personal thoughts, okay? So I went ahead and lathered the shampoo throughout each of the 4 sections. I made sure to apply it throughout my hair strand, and I massaged it into my roots to get rid of all of the product buildup, all of the negative energy, all of everything that needed to just get away from the last 4 days that we had our twist out in. And as I was lathering it throughout my hair, my curls were popping. Like, look at this. My curls look so amazing. I never got this from a shampoo before. So afterwards, I just went ahead and rinsed that shampoo out of my hair. And this is how we are looking. Nice and cleansed and moisturized. Volume is still there. My hair didn't feel weighed down. So I was absolutely in love with this shampoo. Y'all, like, look at my curls. They are so popping. I really never got these results from a shampoo. But anyway, I'm going to move ahead and use my Alodia Haircare Nourish and Hydrate Deep Conditioning Hair Mask. And we didn't have a conditioner, as you guys saw, so I'm going to use this along with my rice water. So in case you guys don't know, I use black rice water in my hair. That's what I have in my water bottle here. And it just helps with hair growth. If you guys want to learn more about it, I'll go ahead and link a detailed video above. But I'm just going to start off by applying my black rice water throughout my section. I'm going to make sure that my hair is soaking wet, and I'm strictly concentrating on applying it to my roots. And then I went in with my hair mask. This hair mask was so buttery, so soft. A little bit of it goes a long way, which I absolutely loved. And I just went ahead and applied that to my hair on top of the black rice water. So you don't want to rinse the black rice water out yet. You want to apply it on top of it and let it sit in our hair as we shower. That's what I usually do, which is about 20 minutes, and then I go ahead and rinse it out of my hair. So as I was applying it on top of the rice water, my hair felt great. So I'm going to take my Felicia Leatherwood brush, and I'm just going to detangle my hair from ends to roots. I find that this step also helps to make sure that the products are consistently applied throughout each section, and also it helps the curls get popping and dropping and locking. So I love detangling my hair with this brush. And just look at the bounce, look at the ballsy, look at everything about this brushation, right? So I clipped my hair up and left this in for 20 minutes as I was showering, and then I rinsed it out. So this is what our hair is looking like. It's nice and shiny. It's nice and moisturized. It just looks so luscious, and I am absolutely in love with these results, okay? So now I'm going to go in with my Alodia Hair Care Moisture and Strengthen Curl Enhancing Buttercream, and this feels so amazing. It's lightweight, but I'm using this as a leave-in. I'm not too sure like exactly what this product is supposed to be used for, but I just used it as a leave-in, and it did an amazing job. My curls were already popping just from this first step, so I messed with it, okay? And then I'm gonna go in with my spray bottle, and I'm going to wet my hair. This is the wash and go process, okay? So now I'm gonna go in with my Alodia Hair Care Moisturized and Defined Curling Cream Gel, and I'm going to apply that to my hair on top of the buttercream. And as you guys can see, the curls are popping, okay? So those are the 3 steps that I use for my wash and go. I applied the buttercream, applied water, and then applied the gel. You want to make sure your hair is soaking wet, and I just prefer to do this inside of the shower. But y'all, my curls were so popping, like so popping. Look at this, before and the after. Like, what? So that's my wash and go routine. So I'm back. My hair went ahead and air dried the rest of the way and opened up a little bit. As you guys know, if you guys are used to my channel, I don't really separate or open my hair as much on day one, just because I like for my hair to get bigger and bigger as the days goes on. So I just left it like this. But baby girl, it looks so good. It's nice and moisturized. Shine is here, volume is here, curl definition is here. So I kept this wash and go in for about 4 days, but I want to say that my hair was flaking. I'm gonna be completely honest, my hair was flaking, but the definition was so bomb that I was just like, I want to find a way to make this work. So the next time I do a wash and go with these products, I will be using an oil as I do the wash and go, because something is just telling me that I should have used the oil in my wash and go, along with using it as a pre-poo before we actually started cleansing our hair. But I feel like I need to incorporate the oil into the washing and going part of this hair routine. But my hair was flaking up. I don't know if you guys can see on my shoulders in this video as well, but I just want to be completely transparent and let y'all know that she did flake. Okay, so I want to go through each and every one of the products we used today in detail to give you guys the real tea, so that you guys can go ahead and purchase and try it out. And yeah, so the first product we used today was the Healthy Hair and Scalp Oil. This oil was very lightweight, which I actually really loved. And I use it for a hot oil treatment, but I can also see myself using it on my fingertips to either take out a twist out or a braid out. It smells so amazing. It smells like juicy juice. And I don't know if I'm aging myself by saying this. I don't even know if juicy juice is still out, but the scent was really good. It's not too strong. It's not too harsh. So I love this oil. This conditioning shampoo to me was honestly like a conditioner and a shampoo in one. When I first opened the box, I was like, wow, there's no conditioner, which didn't really bother me because you guys know I'm not too big on conditioners. But I'm just like, usually a curling system or a curling kit usually comes with a conditioner, but it didn't have that. But honestly, this shampoo was literally a conditioner and a shampoo in one. It was moisturizing, it cleansed my hair, it didn't weigh my hair down. My curls were nice and popping and juicy and luscious. So I was absolutely here for it. So I really enjoyed this conditioning shampoo. I can definitely see myself repurchasing this and using it over and over again. Okay, so this shampoo was a 10 out of 10 for me. It's a yes. The next product that I used was a deep conditioning hair mask, and this hair mask was amazing. The fact that a little bit of it goes a long way, I'm absolutely here for, because that means that you got to use less of it, which means the product is going to last longer, which means there's more coins in your pocket. Okay, I'm always thinking about money, so that's how I thought about it. But it did a great job deep conditioning my hair. It lasted and it passed the true test, because you guys saw I put my black rice water, and I usually try to put a conditioner or deep conditioner on top of it to see how moisturizing it is. So this deep conditioning mask passed the test. My hair was nice and moisturized and juicy, curls were popping, and I was honestly like impressed by how much my curls were popping after I rinsed it out. So I will definitely finish this and buy it again, buy her again. And the next two products I used was for styling. So I used the buttercream kind of as a leave-in, and this alone had my curls popping, as you guys saw. I was just like, what? Like, am I supposed to use a gel? Is it optional? Is it required? Is it mandatory? So the first styling product I used was the buttercream. I used this as a leave-in to kind of like prep my hair before I actually locked it in with the gel, and my curls are popping with this. I'm just like, is this what I need? Like, let me know. Let me know. But it was really like soft on my hair. My hair felt like so soft. I'm just like, is this my hair? My hair has never felt this soft in a long while. So this buttercream was really good to me. And then I used the curling cream gel, and this gel was very interesting because even when I look at it, I'm like, this looks like a cream. Like, is it really a gel? Because I'm used to gels being like, you know, transparent and like sticky and heavy, and this gel was so lightweight. And when you rubbed it on your hands, it kind of like warmed up and became like that gel consistency. The hold was amazing. The definition was amazing. I went ahead and dried my hair under the hooded dryer for about 20 minutes, and then I diffused the front of my hair a little bit, and then I let it air dry, and this is what we have. So this system, all 5 products, I would say hands down were amazing, and that means a lot for me to say that, because y'all know I'm a little picky when it comes to certain things that I use in my hair. But this wash and go kit, it's a yes. Okay, I can see myself finishing this and using it again. And just a little bit more about the brand. So Alodia Haircare has a mission of empowering women around the world to love their hair, to learn their hair, and to grow their hair. And I absolutely love that. Y'all know I love supporting, especially black-owned brands. It's black-owned, women-owned at that. Y'all know I love supporting black-owned brands that have a mission that kind of aligns with my personal mission of my personal brand, which is basically to empower women to feel more comfortable and more confident when it comes to beauty, when it comes to fashion, when it comes to external looks, internal looks. So the fact that this brand's mission kind of aligns with mine, I was absolutely here for it. The products are amazing. This brand has been around since 2014, so it will be 6 years old this year. And I'm really, really surprised that I really didn't hear about it before or see more people like raving about it. But I'm here to be that person, okay? Because this brand is it. This wash and go styling kits is it. So if y'all have not checked it out, go ahead and check it out. As I mentioned, this kit retails for $70. And if you guys don't want to make the full commitment and purchase the full size products right away, I know they have like a sample sized kit available as well. When I looked on the website today, it was sold out, but you can also put your email in so that they can notify you when it's back in stock. So this kit was it. That rhymed, and I didn't mean for it to, but I am absolutely here for it. And in the back, it gives you all of the steps of how you should use it. This is what I would consider my perfect wash and go routine for the winter, and I'm here for it, okay? So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys comment on this video and let me know what you guys feel about my hair, how y'all think it came out, how we looking. Comment down below and let me know if you guys want me to try more kits that Alodia Haircare offers. I know they have about 3 or 4 more kits on their website, I believe. But comment down below and let me know if you guys would want to see another review on one of their kits. If so, which one of their kits? Comment down below and let your girl know. Give this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel because you'll be back for more, sis. And until my next video, which won't be tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, because I'm uploading every other day in 2020, I will see you guys next time.